Fundamentals of Digital Marketing 2023. Digital marketing, as we all know, is the promotion of brands. The Internet is a wide ocean for promoting brands through e-platforms. Marketing helps brands introduce themselves to customers. It helps companies understand customer needs and fulfill them. It's a trend to promote products through the Internet, and making them stand out is not an easy task. To help with these, the fundamentals of digital marketing and its principles are introduced. Let us learn about each one in the following section.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Online marketing, people are more inclined to shop on online platforms rather than go out. So we can say that digital marketing has become a part of everyone's lives. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization helps digital marketing beginners know, learn, and adapt to marketing on a larger scale. Let us know how SEO helps in digital marketing. SEO basics help simplify the needs of the digital marketing industry. Basically, SEO is about finding the right keyword and placing it in the right place. The use of the right keywords can bring more traffic to a website. Inclining the website to be at a higher rank through search engines is an industrial need. SEO is one of the fundamentals of the digital marketing field, and ACTS is a key asset for high-quality promotion. Similarly, understanding SEO and making an effective product for customers is important. By making effective changes to the website, rankings get higher. Since SEO is all about searching, optimizing, and advertising on the web, your consistent efforts will take the website to a higher position. Content marketing. First and foremost, being creative and different is what makes content marketing successful. The web is a platform where millions of businesses market. Being recognized among them is a difficult task. So having new and unique content compared to other marketing platforms makes you stand out and helps the website get recognized. Proper strategies have to be made to market websites with content like videos, newsletters, podcasts, writings, emails, and much more. Content marketing brings the audience closer to services. Hence, reaching out to the audience is necessary. And it will help build good traffic to the website. To stand out from the crowd, content marketing is an important fundamental in digital marketing. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective and efficient way to reach customers. To get the interest of the target audience, new offers and exciting deals are offered. By doing this, the companies or institutes can have more traffic. Email marketing is all about advertising and giving clear information to reach the audience. Knowing the basics and functions of Internet marketing and using it as a key asset will help in building greater strategies for email marketing. Mobile marketing. It's an era of high-tech gadgets. Every day, new technology is being invented by our fellow scientists in every field. Does everyone have a mobile in their hands? Is that even a question to ask? Obviously, we know the answer. Not only through computers, but even with mobile marketing, it is done, and we also have loads of examples for that. We all know how marketing is done in the field of the electronic industry for portable gadgets. Every now and then, you can find a new one on the market. So what is the use of mobile in fundamental digital marketing? Let's list them in our knowledge. Social applications (APK) have a higher marketing scale. Mobile-based applications are provided. YouTube, Yahoo, etc. are used as advertising platforms. Computer-based links are transformed into mobile applications. Social media marketing. Social media is an efficient way to reach a larger audience. Reaching audiences through social media is the best marketing strategy used by most businesses. Businesses from large to small sectors form paid partnerships with social media influencers to market their brands. Every influencer has their own brand to promote. Through social media marketing, it's much easier to reach an audience. Audio marketing. Video marketing is effective and has its own set of audiences who are interested. One of the best examples of video marketing is YouTube. As more audiences use social applications, advertisements and business agencies are interconnected. As they gain a lot of profit through mobile applications. It's because videos speak more loudly and are effective at attracting the audience to their marketing theme. Audio marketing has its own separate marketing strategies when compared to video marketing. The boundaries of audio marketing have been stretched on a larger scale in the industry. There have been huge changes made in the field of audio with new audio applications, enhanced radio, and internet radios. Affiliate, influencer marketing. Affiliate marketing is the promotion of products. Affiliate marketing is its own strategy of promoting products from person to person for sale by paying a commission. Affiliate marketing is also an important aspect of fundamental digital marketing. Affiliate or influencer marketing is all about getting together and promoting a brand. As said before, social media is a huge platform for advertising. Hence, it's used by businesses as a key to promoting their products through famous social media influencers or affiliates. Through this, there would be more chances of reaching an audience and gaining profit.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.